going on, boys? I think when I play today it's going to be some um, fried duck cheese with a duck breast. Right, so you're going to want to start this off. Over to your chopping board, duck cheese. There we go. Put it all in your frying pan. Okay, once you put it all in your frying pan, put your pan on the hob. Walk over here, grab some olive oil. Pour the entire thing into the pan. Don't need that anymore. Pour over here, grab some pepper. Place it on the pan. Give it at least, I'd say, 30 grams. 40. Let's do with 50 just to be safe. I know we got 50 grams of pepper in there. Grab. Grams. About 300 grams. 330, not bad, not bad. Turn on the frying pan. Okay, whilst that is cooking, get your duck breast. Reach over for your knife. Slice it up. Oh, we've lost our duck breast. Get back, if it runs. One looks like it's still alive, or not. Okay, we'll have to kill it. Okay, we sliced it, not bad. Good. You walk over here, I'm going to grab some bell pepper. And just pour this bad boy on. This all good, don't need it. Some wine vinegar. Make sure you pour a lot on. So next, grab some honey. Everyone likes to fry with honey. Pour it all in a big pot. I mean all of it. I mean all of it. Sweet crunchy taste. Duck breast. To boil it. Okay, put it all in your pan. Very nice, very nice. Just want to make it really that tenderness. Put some water. 500 ml of water is good. Okay. Turn this off. Here it's char grilled. Put it over this pan. Pour delicious. And then pour in your ingredients. Ready your pan, you know. Grab it. As we wait for it to cook. It about and I'm gonna have a drink while I wait. Okay, once it's halfway done, crack open your gas cooker, your big pot, cover it. Well, we can't serve this by itself, so we'll have to order some dispatcher. There and serve this in and get that. Grab some broccoli to go. Broccoli with the nuts, whatever we put in. Not enough for me, so I will grab some chili flakes. Pour it on. Okay, got some chili flakes on there. Yeah, what can we have on this? Red wine. Our customers are a little tipsy. We don't really taste chili. By a little bit. That. What's that? Our duck breast is on. Pot. Finish off our duck breast. Fry it. We now got that crunch to our duck breast. We'll walk over here. Have ourselves some salt. Really just salted, you know. All that sodium goes to whatever sodium does for your body. But food blender and blend it all up. Okay, now you've done your whack it back on. Put broccoli over here. Oh. And looks like it's done to me. Bring your big pot over. Pour it. Veer right to the top. For that, don't need it. Grab our bowl. And very nice. Bit of order. Bit of that. Yes. Okay, let's serve. Here is your gazpacho. Right, they loved it. 5-star rating. Perfect temperature. Full check. This is my family recipe. Delicious. Everyone wants it. Go with it.